Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix could not create the Java virtual machine error. Let's fix it guys. The solution consists of two steps. The first step, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select system, on right side scroll down and select about and select advanced system setting. Click on environment variables. In here you need to select in here new, and you just need to check my video description for this code used in my video. Copy in the variable name and copy this in variable value. After pasting it, select OK. Select OK for save changes. Now select OK. Now close stuff here. And the second step, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy and paste it one by one. Once the policy is being updated, you want to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.